The KABAR Dozier Folding Knife. What does it do? How does it do it? And is it any good? All this and more coming right up. Welcome to GruncleWorx, the channel that checks out everyday gear for the everyday guy. Today we are taking a look at the KABAR Dozier Folding Knife in blaze orange with a black blade and pocket clip. The knife is constructed from a combination of AUS 8A stainless steel and Zytel thermoplastics, making the Dozier extremely light and strong. The blade has a single thumb stud to aid with one-handed opening, and while this is set for right-hand configuration out of the box, it can easily be reversed with the removal of a single torque screw. Once the blade is fully open, it locks securely in place with an audible click, and then the knife is ready to use. The rear pocket clip is robust and offers a strong level of retention, and just like the thumb stud, it too can also be reversed with the removal of a single hex screw. This particular color of blaze orange is extremely vibrant and makes it very easy to see. It complements the contrasting black trim and blade exceptionally well. Once in its open position, the knife is extremely ergonomic and offers an excellent level of grip due to the aggressive texturing on the handle. The thumb ramp at the base of the blade creates additional stability, allowing for a much finer level of control for those more delicate tasks. The blade is made of AUS 8A stainless steel. It is 3 inches in length and 0.11 inches thick. The handle is made of Zytel thermoplastic that is extremely impact and abrasion resistant. The knife utilizes a Bob Dozier design locking mechanism. The knife's open and closing can be adjusted by tightening or loosening the main frame torque screw. On the reverse side, the pocket clip is strong and robust without being too rigid. As I said earlier, this is a light feeling folding knife. As you can see, it weighs in at a featherweight 2.3 ounces. I must give a big shout out to Mrs. GruncleWorx for letting me use her digital scale. And let's measure it a second time for consistency. Again, 2.3 ounces. One of the things that I really like is the texture of the handle. It is aggressive enough to give a good grip, but not so much that it's going to irritate your skin. It is cut in a diamond pattern and covers the vast majority of the handle. The pocket clip is located on the right side, secured by a single hex screw. As you can see, it presents a really low profile, which helps prevent unintended snags. The knife relies upon a Bob Dozier design locking mechanism. The push tab is located on the top of the spine of the knife and protrudes through a recessed area of the handle. Once the blade is fully opened, this push tab needs to be fully depressed in order to release the blade and have it fall back into the handle. Simply push the tab all the way in and fold the blade closed. All in all, this is a knife that offers fantastic value for money. It is extremely functional, vibrant, well built, and adds very little in way of weight to your everyday carry rotation. If you liked this video or found it useful, Please leave us some thumbs and consider subscribing for more awesome content as we continue to look at everyday gear for the everyday guy.